Can I get closer?
He's got one string going that way.
Can I get closer?
Yeah, you can get close. Oh, he's building a web like right in the middle of everything. He's got one web going down, one web going straight up.
That's crazy. Oh, I need to get the sky in the background.
You gotta get under him.
Oh, I got it right now. You just can't see him though.
You got the web on you, dude.
On me?
Yeah, right here. It's on the phone. I can move him. I got his web.
Cool.
Maybe I don't want his web. Get it off of me.
How? I'm
burned it.
filming. Oh shit! You're clear, dude. He's still over. Is he like throwing a web out? And then he threw one out at you. Is that what he did?
No, I had it on my finger and I thought I burned it loose, but it was